What's up, YouTubers? So we had our first night in the RV. We didn't hook up the water, just electric. And let me tell you, it was troublesome. Let me show you why. So, we have this. Right? Boom. You know? Came with the RV. Nice and simple. Pretty sure it's a 30 amp. Kind of looks like a 50 amp. So, it might be a 50 amp. Right? Then, in order to plug in here, I got this 50 to 30. Right? And I got this 30 amp. Right? And that. Right? So, cool. Right? It's whatever. A 50 to a 30. It's been done. Then, since his plug-in is so unique, right? It's not a normal 30 plug-in. So I had to also get a 15 amp converter, right? So I have a 15 to a 30 to a 50. So, needless to say, we had both space heaters on, but we could really only have one light on account of it all coming off of a 15. So I'm gonna order the 30 amp plug-in so that it's just straight and we can use it. Anything that we need, all the power we need. So I'll put a link in the description so you guys know exactly what I got. All right, have a good day.